Greetings lovers of good things. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to fix your closure for your wig. So the first thing you want to do is to define the parts. You want to apply some hair mousse, or if you have a wax stick you can use that. You want to use hot comb to define the parts. You can also use your comb like how you see me doing here, trying to get the part correctly, so I have to make it easier for me to just use the hot comb to separate the parts perfectly, just the way I want it. After using the comb to separate the part, you want to make sure you use the hot comb to define the part very well, because this is what will determine if your closure will be well seated on your wig cap. You want to have something like this. You see how defined it is. And after that, you get your wig cap and you just have to place your closure on it. When placing your closure on it, make sure that your closure is a little bit longer than the cap itself. And as a beginner, you might find it difficult to place your closure in this kind of wig cap. You can go for the option of the one that has net at the front. That one is easier for beginner. Go ahead and secure your closure to your wig cap with a pin at the beginning of the closure and also at the end of the closure. Once that is done, you are good to go. The next thing you want to do is to place your cap on the dummy head and secure the cap with a rubber band at the back, after which you want to start sewing. So when sewing, ensure not to start from the beginning of the closure. This will help you to cover up the wig at the end of the whole sewing and also give the wig a natural look. You want to keep sewing until you get to the end of the closure at that side. So you do the same process for the other side of the closure. So at this point you want to go ahead and secure your thread to give it a firm hold, so that you don't end up having a loose closure. I want to go to the back of the closure to finish off the sewing, but yeah, I'm just checking if it's lapped, which is very good. You check so that if there's any mistake, that's where you correct it, not that after fixing the whole stuff or after sewing everything you start losing again. So you just check. Once you've checked that and you see that it's secure, go ahead to sew. Ensure to secure your closure after the last sew lies at the edge, because if you do not secure it, you end up having a loose closure. Also ensure to make sure that your sewing is neat, and sewing closure is not something that you hurriedly do. You have to take your time. You see how neat and and well secure mine is. This can last you for years and nothing will happen. All you just need to do is to maintain your wig. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, take care, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.